Hello everyone, welcome back to Orchid Sea Learning. Hope you all are doing very well. Today, let us see the objectives and question answers of the lesson The Green Plants from Class 4 Science. Let's begin then. First is fill in the blanks. Number 1. Most plants on the earth are dash. You have options given here green and non green. So you need to think about the answer. Most plants on the earth are, it is green. Question number 2. The dash let air flow in and out of the leaf. I repeat, the dash let air flow in and out of the leaf. Look at the options. Options are veins and stomata. And the answer is stomata. Next, green plants make their own food with the help of dash in the leaves. There are two options, stomata, chlorophyll. Green plants make their own food with the help of dash in the leaves. And the answer is chlorophyll. Next, the dash takes the prepared food from the leaves to other parts of the plant. Look at the option, children. And as I keep telling you always in my video, please keep writing your answers in the comment section below, or else you can also take your notebook or rough book. It will give you better practice. So for this question, the dash takes the prepared food from the leaves to other parts of the plant. The answer is stem. Next, extra food prepared by the leaves is stored as dash in different parts of the plant. It is starch. Next question is match the following. Let us see the options in column A. Veins, photosynthesis, stomata, glucose, starch. Column B. Stored food, transport within the leaf, prepared food, process of preparing food, and taking in and giving out air. Think about your answers. And the answer is veins, transport within the leaf, photosynthesis, process of preparing food, stomata, taking in and giving out air, glucose, prepared food, and starch is stored food. Next, choose the correct options. Which of these help to transport substances within the leaf? Look at the options, stomata, leaf blade, chlorophyll, and veins. What do you think the answer is, children? It is veins. Question number 2. Which of these help to absorb water and minerals for the plant? Option A, roots, B, stem, C, leaves, and veins. Option A is roots, B is stem, C is leaves, and D is veins. The answer is roots. Question number 3. Which part of the leaf removes water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis? I repeat the question. Which part of the leaf removes the water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis? Options are leaf blade, main vein, stomata, and side vein. Now you think about your answer and write in comment section. The answer is stomata. Next, which of these will not be needed by leaves for making food? Read it carefully. Which of these is not needed by leaves for making food? Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and none of these. The answer is none of these. All are needed. Next, which of these is not true about photosynthesis? Look at the options. Food prepared is in the form of sugar. Food prepared is in the form of starch. Carbon dioxide, water, and light are raw materials. Chlorophyll is need to absorb light. Which is not true about photosynthesis? Correct answer is food prepared is in the form of sugar. Question number 6. Which of these shows the presence of starch? Option A. Iodine turns reddish brown. Starch turns to glucose. Iodine solution turns bluish black. And leaves turn green. So think, which shows the presence of starch among this? It is iodine solution turns bluish black. Next question. Which of these are main producers of food? Look at the option, guys. Green plants, animals, sun, and none of these. It is green plants. Next, which of these shows dependence of animals on plants? Plants give off oxygen that animals use for breathing. Animals make food for the plants. Animals depend on green plants for food. Both A and C. The answer is both A and C. Next question. Give one word for the following. First, green substance present in leaves. What do we call the green substance present in leaves? Chlorophyll. The flat surface of the leaf. Leaf blade. The process by which green leaves prepare their own food. Photosynthesis. Next, the food prepared by process of photosynthesis. Glucose. A chain that shows a series of organisms where each member depends on lower member in the series for food. I repeat, a chain that shows a series of organisms where each member depends on lower member in the series for food. It is food chain. Next is question and answers. First question, what are stomata? How do they help the plant? There are small openings on the lower surface of the leaves. These pores, called stomata. These stomata let air flow in and out of the leaf. So in this way, it helps the plant by letting the air flow in and out of the leaf. Okay, this is the answer. Next, define photosynthesis. Name the raw materials needed by plants for it. The process by which green plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. They use light, water, and carbon dioxide present in the air as raw materials to make their own food. Third question. How do green leaves get things needed for photosynthesis? Water is absorbed by roots. I repeat, water is absorbed by roots and carried through the stem to the leaves. When light falls on the leaves, it is absorbed by chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide is taken in through stomata. After the food is prepared, oxygen is given out through stomata. So this is how green leaves get things needed for photosynthesis. How would you test a leaf for starch? The presence of starch in leaves can be tested by the iodine test. When we remove chlorophyll from the leaf by boiling it in alcohol and then put 2 drops of iodine solution, its color change to blue indicates the presence of starch. Describe how plants and animals are dependent on each other. Animals depend on plants for various reasons. For example, plants are the primary producers of food. Plants also take in carbon dioxide and produce oxygen in return. Similarly, plants depend on animals for reasons like dispersal of fruits and seeds, pollination, and for the carbon dioxide that is produced by animals. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch the lesson explanation of this video, please go through the link which I am sharing in the description box.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Your comments and suggestions are valuable to us.